Hello, LinkedIn. Sean Walters here with CAPTRON, and
Tyler Borden, also with CAPTRON.
we're glad to be with you today. And we're here today to talk about some things we have going on in the robotics world, specifically a new partnership we have with Universal Robot. And so I think it begs some questions that we should ask, but let's just start with the robotics part of it. Tyler, what is a tool center point when it comes to robotics?
Yeah, so tool center point, often referred to TCP. What it is, it's so you have your robot with its end of arm tool, and that tool, like it's showing here, needs to be centered and know where it is. So that is the tool center point.
Okay. And then in regards to what we offer, we talk about a calibration sensor. What is our tool calibration sensor all about?
Yeah, so we call it our TCP laser device, measurement device, and these are the Castle designs. But what it is it's two laser beams that are crossing, and these laser beams crossing create 4 reference points for the robot. So it'll have its normal calibration path, and if it gets offset or bent, whatever happens, obstruction, it'll use these reference points from our lasers to know how off it is from being centered, and it will correct itself with this device.
Okay, well, I mean, you can see this is a very accurate robot. Why would a robot need a calibration device?
Well, let's bend it a little bit, and I can show you. Bent it slightly. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on camera, but you'll see a correction. But basically, why someone would use this device. So when it comes to welding, dispensing, different applications, you want to make sure you have accurate, precise welds to ensure quality. That's one of the biggest things that we hear often. So like, for example, this just corrected itself, it was that slight bend, and using these reference points, it corrected itself, and now it is going to be a very accurate and precise weld still. So it ensures that standard of quality that companies want to keep.
So that makes sense on welding. I can see a weld wire being off a little bit, or a tool tip on some kind of adhesion or something like that. So those are some specific applications, but where else might someone want a tool center point calibration?
Yeah, so where someone else might want one, we often have seen it like in a unique application like CNC machines with drill bits. They have different drill bit sizes, soldering machines as well. But with the CNC machines, these drill bits, there's wear and tear with them. They become different sizes over time just due to the drilling.
So this device could potentially or can detect wear?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
So have you seen, or has anyone asked about other unique applications for where a tool center point might be used?
Yeah. So most recently with SimTech, actually, thanks for the robot, by the way. But they were talking about a mobile robot station. So nowadays big trend in the market is robots aren't needed for this one function that they're designed to do all the time.
So they could be used on multiple functions.
Exactly. So they're going to be doing a few different jobs, different tool sizes, different tool ends. So with this device, what's pretty unique is you can have like 10 different stations with one robot, different end of arm tools for, let's just say, what's welding here, and then picking at the next station.
Okay, so different applications.
Exactly. And with our device, at one application, each application needs its center point. And with our device, with the different tools, you can ensure that this calibration is automatic, and when you pull the robot up, it'll automatically do its calibration and do whatever job function it's set out to do. So it really reduces setup times tremendously, and you only need one robot now for a few functions.
Oh, wonderful. So if someone wanted to learn more about our URCap and our partnership with Universal Robot, how would they go about doing that?
Yeah, well, we have a video out of how to actually set up a UR robot with this device. It'll be linked in the description. Or you could call us, message us, LinkedIn, anything works.
They can call you?
You can call me.
After 5?
After 5. It depends.
Well, in any case, like Tyler said, feel free to reach out to us, and we would be welcoming any opportunity you can give us to help you with your tool center point on your Universal Robot. So thank you for that, and have a great day.
Thank you.